Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about a big major update for Thor Finance, for Thor Financial. If you don't know about Thor Financial, I've covered them many times here in my channel. They are nodes, so Thor nodes, and they've become very popular. So Thor started at the end of November when there was that whole node season that ended up badly with ring nodes being rug pulled, and then all nodes basically started declining from there on. But then since the beginning of the year, we started picking up some steam again, especially from Thor nodes, Louverture, and new projects like Universe. Then we have power nodes, vapor nodes. I made a big video about covering these new nodes, which I'm gonna leave here on the top right corner. And today we're gonna see what are these major updates for Thor that, in my opinion, are gonna make Thor being one of the biggest, if not the biggest, node right now on Avalanche, and most likely on Phantom as well, since they're trying to expand. They already became validators on the Phantom ecosystem. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if we go here to the Thor page, we're gonna have this big banner right here saying Asgardians, be informed that there will be rewards reduction moving forward. Changes will be applied on the following dates with the new reward structure as follows. And then right here we have some of these reductions and the dates. Before we talk about the reductions, which is one of the updates that they released, I want to go through the actual prices for each and every node. So what are these prices? How much does it cost? How much do you make? So let's take a look right here. So we started from the smaller one and go all the way to Odin, which is the big boy for Thor Financial. So the first one is Heimdall. And Heimdall, it costs you 1.25 Thor to make the node. So you need 1.25 Thor in your MetaMask wallet to be able to go here, name your wallet as you want, and you create the node. And this will earn you 0.02 Thor per day, which equals to 1.6% daily. This is how much they are going to pay you daily. So you get 1% per day, which in my opinion is very good. Then we have Freya. You need 6.25 Thor to make one node, one Freya node, and this Freya node pays you 0.13 Thor per day, which is equal to 2.08% daily. For Thor, you need 12.5 Thor to make a node, and with that you get 0.33 Thor per day, which is equal to 2.64% daily. And then we have Big Boy Odin. With 78.125 Thor, you will make 2.73 Thor daily, which is equal to 4.5% daily. So very nice tiers, but again, these tiers, as we seen right here, are gonna be cut to these new percentages. So if you go back, Odin will go from 4 to 1.3%. Thor will go to 1.15% daily, Freya will go to 0.8%, and Heimdall goes to 0.64% daily. What is the good thing about it? First of all, if you have Heimdall or Freya, these are going to be later on. So if you have a smaller node, a node that is smaller like Heimdall or Freya, you have longer time to compound, to make more money, to have higher percentages than, let's say, Odin. And why did they lower the percentages, the daily percentages? Well, for a very simple reason. No node is sustainable if they're paying you over, let's say, 1-2% daily. No one is sustainable. There's no place where you can find that which will remain after 1 year. Okay, so now they want to do serious stuff. They want to focus on being validators here on the Phantom ecosystem. They want to do things the right way. So that's why they had to lower the rewards for node owners, for them to stay afloat longer. And they also created something else to make Thor last even longer. And what is it? Well, they created an LP, which is Thor and AVAX. And this LP will provide liquidity, will generate fees that then can repay our node owners and can also incentivize people, instead of selling their Thor, to buy the LP and stake it to get extra rewards on top of their nodes. So this is an awesome idea. This is an amazing idea. And let me tell you why. Right now, we almost have $4 million in TVL. When they launched it, I think it was Sunday, I think it was Saturday for me. Yes, Saturday. There were so few people here that this number, the APR, was actually 38,000%. So me and my friend, we got in very early. Actually, our position grew very fast just because we were very early on into that pool. And I think there was like $200,000 in TVL, and now we have almost $4 million. This number will stabilize. They are thinking that it will stabilize at around 600 to 700% APR, which is ridiculous. Again, if you compound, it's going to be a way higher APY. This is a great thing for them, for the longevity of the project. So I am very happy with what they're doing. I'm very happy with the strategy they are taking. So they also created something new. They now are going to be taxing all the Thor that you claim. So whenever you claim, there's going to be taxes. Well, in the beginning, when I started crypto, I was against taxes, especially on those platforms like ApeSwap or other platforms like those, where you stake and you had to pay 4% fee, and then you want stake and you had to pay 4% fee, and 4% is a reasonable number. But of course, there are many other platforms that had way worse taxes. But right here, they're taxing the nodes, the claiming, when you claim your nodes. And they say this right here on Twitter. Let's take a look at it. So now they're going to have taxes for each and every node whenever you claim, and they also are going to have a maintenance fee tax, just like Strong has. Strong has a monthly fee that you have to pay to maintain your node. So right here is going to be the same thing, and let's go through the tax bracket. So for Odin, you have to, whenever you claim, you will pay 10% taxes. So of course, this is incentivizing big whales, big node owners to, instead of just claiming and dumping the price, to instead compound for a longer period of time instead of claiming right away. And this is very good, very bullish. Then we have Thor with 8%, Freya with 5%, and Heimdall with 1%. And this is 1% on the total that you're going to claim. So not high at all. And then we have the maintenance fees, which are going to be monthly. We have $80 for Odin, $20 for Thor, $10 for Freya, and $5 for Heimdall. And this makes your ROI change as well. So your ROI for Odin will be 77 days, for Thor 87 days, for Freya 125 days, for Heimdall 156 days, which in my opinion are not not bad numbers. Of course, now we are used to having ROIs of 10 days because they're paying you like 5, 6, 7% daily, 20 days ROIs. No, these right here are good ROIs, I think, and these ROIs are calculating if the price stays steady, which I'm going to show you the graph in a little bit, and you will see that the prices keep going up. Now, before I show you the graph, let's take a look at how it works, the whole ecosystem. I found this very understandable chart right here, the Thor model. And let's go through the Thor model real quick. I'm going to zoom in so it's better for you to see. So you want to purchase a node. We're going to start right here and we're going to go through all of this. So here it goes through saying you purchase AVAX and then you trade AVAX for Thor at Trader Joe's. So do you want to purchase or do you want to stake? Since now you can do both. If you want to node, you go to their website and you create one of those. All right, here we have the costs as we've seen it. Then you earn daily rewards for each nodes. Nodes are RCP endpoints, and Thor spent to purchase nodes cannot be refunded. Then right here we have the daily rewards and the maintenance fees. The maintenance fees, as I said before, 5, 10, 20, and 80. Once you have your node, you can do two things. You can claim or you can compound. If you compound, you purchase as many nodes of the same tier as possible with 0% tax and claims the remainder into your MetaMask. So for example, if you purchased one Heimdall and you have enough Thor, or for example, you have already 1.5 Thor in your in rewards accumulated, you can compound and it will create a second Heimdall node for you, and the remaining 0.25 Thor will be sent to your MetaMask. You will only be taxed on the amount sent to the MetaMask. Once you have God mode, which is having one of each tier, you can compound on whatever tier you want. So if you have 1, 1, 1, 1, you can compound everything, let's say, on Odin. So you compound everything to create a node on Odin, like an Odin node. But let's say you want to claim instead. You claim Thor and it will be sent to your MetaMask, and you will pay the taxes that we said before. 60% of these taxes is used for buybacks. The rest is sent to the AVAX Thor liquidity pool, which is great. The liquidity pool is used to invest into projects that are voted by the community to create alternative revenue streams to attempt to stabilize Thor's long-term sustainability. Then we have the treasure wallet of the Thor ecosystem. And let's say instead of creating a node, you stake. Once you stake, trade in. For you to stake, you need to have the LP token, which is 50% Thor, 50% AVAX. Then earn APR on LP coins. You can either hold LP coins to earn more APR, or exchange it for AVAX and Thor and deposit into the farm. And then it's a loop. You can sell the LP coins and they go to your MetaMask. You can again deposit the tokens into more LP tokens and restake, or you can withdraw the LP tokens and then you can either exchange them to send it to your MetaMask or exchange it to other tokens. Yield farming provides Thor as an incentive to keep your LP coins inside the liquidity pool, which provides a floor to Thor, which is very useful. So the rewards you get on the staking, they are free of taxes. So the APY can be claimed as Thor and is sent to the MetaMask with 0% tax, and permanent loss can occur while staking. The farm acts as a countermeasure for small amounts. So of course, use a impermanent loss calculator to calculate worst and best case scenarios. So this is the ecosystem, the Thor model, and I think it will increase the lifespan of Thor for a long period of time. Then let's take a look at the graph right here. As we can see, this line right here was the support a little bit for Thor, but then it went under when the whole Wonderland time seafood thing started to happening. AVAX started melting, the whole ecosystem on AVAX started going down a little bit, and then it melted, but then it went up a little bit and it created this second support, and you can see it is holding up very well. And I think once it breaks this line right here, we will see again an uptrend. We can see the buying power is coming back strong again right now with these nice news. Of course, some people didn't like that the rewards were going down, but of course, let me say that one more time. If you are going into nodes thinking that you will have 7% daily, 5% daily, 2% daily forever, you are mistaken. This is the same thing that is going to happen to, let's say, Universe, which right now everyone is talking about. Univ right now, everyone is going crazy over it. Red District nodes are R&D. Everyone is going crazy about it. Everyone is just talking about it, how it's going to be the next thing. It's going to change the game. Wait for it. In 1 or 2 months, they will lower their rewards. Because of course, these rewards are just to attract people to invest money with them. So what Thor did was more than justifiable. they needed to do that to maintain the project alive. So we're looking at $170 per Thor right now. And of course, I am waiting for it to go over this line right here and to make a bullish pattern. And maybe then we will see it go over $240 as it did before, which I am very confident in. I think Thor will stay relevant and present for a long period of time. So this is going to be it for today's video. Please let me know down in the comments below, how is your farm position? How is your Thor position going? I know there is a lot of us that do have Thor. Every day when we do live streams, we always talk about Thor, Luature, and our positions on these farms, on these nodes. And now, are you going to also stake your Thor, or are you just going to keep compounding and then claiming it? What is your plan of action here with Thor? Or are you just hearing about Thor right now and you're going to start investing into Thor? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can always receive notifications when new videos come out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.